Imagine it's the year 2026. You wake up, grab your coffee, and step outside. Parked in your driveway is the car everyone's been talking about, the Volkswagen Super Beetle S, fully electric and unlike anything you've ever driven. Today, I'm taking you on a journey through a day in the life with this futuristic icon, showing you not just the specs, but how it feels to actually live with the Super Beetle S. Welcome back to Auto Destiny, where we don't just review cars, we imagine the future. The first thing you notice is the design. The Super Beetle S isn't just a throwback, it's a reinvention. The classic Beetle curves are there, but now they're sharper, more aerodynamic, and the LED light strip running across the front gives it a signature look, especially at night. You unlock the car with a tap on your phone, no keys needed. The door handles pop out automatically, and as you slide into the driver's seat, the car greets you with a customizable welcome animation on the dashboard. Inside, it's a blend of retro charm and futuristic tech. The steering wheel is minimalist, with haptic feedback controls. The seats are made from recycled ocean plastics, but they feel like luxury. The panoramic glass roof lets in the morning sun, and the ambient lighting shifts to match your mood. Today, it's a calming blue. You set your destination with a simple voice command, "Take me to work." Instantly, the navigation system plots the most efficient, traffic-free route, factoring in real-time weather and charging station locations. As you pull out, the Super Beetle S is whisper quiet, but the acceleration is instant. With dual motors and all-wheel drive, merging onto the highway is effortless. The heads-up display projects your speed and directions onto the windshield, so you never have to take your eyes off the road. You pass by gas stations, feeling a little smug, knowing you'll never need to stop at one again. Instead, you check your range, over 320 miles on a full charge, and you've barely made a dent. At lunch, you park at a charging station. The Super Beetle S supports ultra-fast charging, so by the time you finish your sandwich, you're back to 80%. While you wait, you use the car's built-in Wi-Fi to catch up on emails, and the seats give you a gentle massage. This isn't just a car, it's your mobile office, your relaxation zone, your personal assistant. After work, you pick up your friends for a night out. The Super Beetle S's customizable interior lighting shifts to party mode, and the 360-degree sound system fills the cabin with your favorite playlist. The car's AI recognizes your friends and adjusts the seat positions and climate settings to their preferences. On the way, you activate the semi-autonomous driving mode, letting the car handle the stop-and-go traffic while you chat and enjoy the ride. As the day winds down, you head home. The Super Beetle S parks itself in your garage and automatically schedules its next software update for the middle of the night. You step out, and the car's lights give you a gentle farewell. You realize this isn't just a car from the past, or even the present. It's a glimpse into the future of driving. So what do you think? Would you want to live a day with the 2026 Super Beetle S? Let me know in the comments how you'd customize your own and what features you'd want to see. If you enjoyed this journey into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more visionary car content from Auto Destiny. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.